Ever wonder how to nail down your capital gains without a hitch using the right time-cost basis? Let's break it down. Welcome to the channel. Every day I explore personal finance questions that real people are asking on Stack Exchange and highlight the top answers from the community as well as any key takeaways. If you're new here, consider subscribing for daily videos just like this one. All right, let's take a look at today's question. Today, we're exploring a common question. How can someone determine the time-cost basis for capital gains? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, they bought a property overseas in 2000 and later became a US citizen. Recently, that property was demolished by the foreign government, who compensated them without any tax because it supported city construction. Now, they're curious if moving that compensation to the US counts as a capital gain and need clarity on the cost basis. Should it be from when they bought it or when they got their green card? Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's highlighted that AIs can sometimes make up information that sounds believable but isn't necessarily correct, especially for legal matters. In terms of US tax law, residency status doesn't change the cost basis of an asset, which is linked to its original purchase. The taxable event occurs when assets are sold, not when money is transferred, and capital gains tax is already owed. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. When calculating capital gains, the cost basis of a property is determined by its original purchase price back in 2000. This starting point doesn't change with residency status, as US tax law ties it to the initial purchase, not when you moved. Plus, remember that in the US, you owe capital gains tax when you sell the property, not when you bring the money over. So here's what we've learned. The property's cost basis is its original purchase price from 2000, and this remains unchanged by residency status. The key taxable event is the property's sale, not the money transferred to the US capital. Gains tax is due at sale, no matter where the funds end up. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.